Regency, Atlanta. We have different controllers going on, or are these?
No, they're all the same. It's just a 360. The separate up button is for Polaris.
Going down.
Kind of like the Marquis,
Pretty much.
just a little smaller.
You got an indicator there and an indicator right above you.
Tall ceiling.
You got an indicator right behind you too, up there.
LL3.
Yeah, it's locked off.
Atlanta Conference Center. Going up.
It's real smooth.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead and send down to LL3.
Want to try the other side, or?
We can drive downstairs.
Okay.
So I want to show you something down there too. Everyone knows these famous elevators. We'll go ahead and send this one up.
LL3.
You going up?
Atlanta Conference Center.
Thank you, sir.
Going
Yep.
up. LL3.
They're very talkative too. Go ahead and hit the up button. And we'll look at this control panel and see which one will come.
Oh, wow. Except I don't know which is which.
Elevator 2 would be right behind you.
Hey, I wish I got one that faces a different way, though.
Yeah, I'll send this one out.
Motor Lobby Atlanta Conference Center. Going up.
Alright, go ahead.
Had to pull the lunch button on the other side of the room like that. Guessing it's gonna be 3 or 4. Looks like it's gonna be 4.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Hear the air rushing to the doors too.
LL3. Motor Lobby Atlanta Conference Center. Going up.
Here we go. You want to send this one out?
Want to try to get that one over there while we're up here?
Yeah, sure.
22nd floor.
I actually want to do something.
That looks really appealing right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna join you. Ooh, bouncy. Which one will it be?
Favorite one.
Yeah.
I'll get it.
Yeah. Yeah, just send it down. Oh,
There's one over there.
hold up. Wait. Come out. Come out. There's a trick. All you gotta do is just let it go. Alright. Oh, here we go. This is the one I wanted.
Why this one?
You'll see. That is if it works anyway. Everyone on my channel, you probably know what I'm going to be talking about here. Jacob seems very suspicious of what I'm thinking. There's the other elevator.
Oh, wow. What is that?
I'm getting dead battery here. So we're gonna be going almost to Polaris. And then we would have gone more up.
Yeah.
This is just the kitchen. Yep.
You here.
You just get a short view,
It's
then
a really weird time to stand up.
yeah, then back into the hotel. What do you think?
Very cool. That's a nice trick.
So like when James, Connor, and I filmed it, Connor noticed 23 and 24. I never knew that until
I wouldn't have
he
even
said
seen it.
it.
There's no way I would have noticed.
Yeah. We're at the lobby.
Sure.
Yeah, thanks. And there it goes. And that's it.
So this is the international tower, right?
Yes. Oh, we have to march all the way over here to get it. This is being filmed on my TX30 because my camcorder's about to die.
Wow.
Yeah, they're pretty quick.
LL3 Atlanta Conference Center going up.
I was actually expecting it to be locked out.
Huh?
I was actually expecting it to be locked out because I saw the key reader.
Yeah, I don't know why that's there actually. A little rough spot on the wheel.
Fourth floor going
I
down.
love the surround sound with that.
It's back to the lobby.
Sure. Here's Jacob.
What's going on with my camera right now?
Do what? What was wrong with it?
Oh, it just recording thing stopped for a second.
Oh, it's probably because it's about to die. Yeah. It does
A
it.
little bit goofy.
It does it to my stuff all the time. There it goes. And that's, I do.
We're going to be entering the Radius Tower. Here at the Hyatt Regency in Atlanta.
Yes, sir.
This is a cool little lobby.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a triangle with elevators. 1, 2, 3.
Yep. And there's me.
And your control band there.
LL3 and LL2 are locked. Dude, you can go to steps 22.
Didn't need to find the door closed.
It's closing for you. There's your Otis plate up there.
Going up?
You going up? Okay. I say like, why don't we stop at 21? Who would want to go up? See, basically, This is it.
So there's a couple rooms hidden in each corner then?
Mm-hmm.
Look at this one. That's so weird.
Yep.
It's a circular building, so.
Yeah, this is it. That's why it's a radius. You see what I did there?
This is pretty cool.
Yep.
22nd floor.
Back in the day. They're pretty small cabs compared to our heights.
Yeah, I didn't really notice that actually.
Yeah, see, that's
It's so dark in here.
That's the ceiling, and then I don't know if you could tell or not. I just did that for fun. And we'll go ahead and turn the light off.
LL1.
That's the fitness center.
I think there's like a
Yeah.
panel on that side too.
Not this time. There is. Focus camera.
Lobby level. Going down.
You going down? Ah, okay. What do you think? Yep. That's what you have. That's what happens when you get connections. That's it.